Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I've decided to go out for a bit of a walk and take a look around the place. It's just after 9:30 in the morning. I've just stopped for somewhere to eat where I had an omelette and rice, 35 baht, which was good, well under a dollar US, and yeah, good. That'll keep me going today. So today I'm heading off to the visa agent that I'm using. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll put their link in the description below of where it is. But if you were to just Google assisted visa in Chiang Mai, it's no problem. You'll find the place. You'll find the place quite easily. Now, I was going to video while I'm walking, but unfortunately I had the sun behind my back and I was in shade. You know, like you'd be like watching a shadow on the screen. So I thought I'll stop here and talk. So I'm on the road, just heading up to assist visa now. I'm probably about 10 minutes walk away. It's a 20-minute walk from my condo where I am, and which I took a photo of looking across the river back at the condo. I'll put that up in the corner there. You can have a look and get a look at what the place looks like. It's very, very smoky here in Chiang Mai for the last 3 days. Every day seems to be getting worse. This morning, no exception. It's very unpleasant, I guess. A lot of people are talking about buying air purifiers. I don't know how well they work, but we'll give it a go. So anyway, the reason I'm going to the visa agent today is because I just wanted to verify. Last week I went with them up to the immigration office, which is at Central Festival, with the agent, and we took our passports, and we ended up getting a piece of paper put in the passport with a date stamped on it. And I'm just not sure when I'm supposed to come back and see them, so I wanted to call in there and just show them and go, so when do I have to come back to go for the next part of this retirement visa process? And I'll do that in the next 10 minutes when I call in there and have a look. Also today I need to go down to a hobby shop called Winner Hobbies. For those who don't know, I do have another YouTube channel where I build models, and that's sort of what my hobby is over here, and I need to get a few supplies that I forgot about last time. So I'll be going down there for a visit. But what we'll do is we'll stop somewhere along the way, and we'll have a chat about a few other things and a couple of questions that were brought up by a couple of people that commented on the last video. All right, so yeah, I'll be back very, very shortly. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I've got to say, I'm really happy I put up this YouTube short and asking for at least get me 50 subscribers, because at 50 subscribers I can live stream, and easily did that. We've gone past 50 subscribers now, so I'm really happy about that. And I'd like to set up a bit of a live stream looking from my balcony across out over the countryside, so you can just see how smoky it is. Just leave that live stream running for a while. People can log on and have a look. But yeah, thanks for subscribing, and also don't forget to comment if you have any more questions, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll be back in a second when I stop somewhere and we'll have another bit of a chat. Alright, back shortly. Hey, welcome back. So, sorry I didn't end up stopping at a cafe to continue. I ended up coming back home. Got everything I wanted to do for the day done. Just ended up in the Airport Central Plaza shopping centre. Hadn't been there before, and I just got caught up looking around and yeah, trying not to spend too much money. Anyway, after that I did end up going to the hobby shop. Oh, and I did go to a Bandai shop in that shopping centre, and picked up some thinners for my paints and a few other bits and pieces. And to the hobby shop, of course, I went and had a look there, and Yeah, I spent a bit of money there, but anyway. So, yeah, the visa's sorted. So on the 21st of March, I'll go back to the visa office and we'll go back to immigration. And that's when we officially put in the application for the retirement visa, which takes about 2 or 3 weeks, I think, to process. So, yeah, I just confirmed that I have to go back and do that. What else? Someone was asking me about the facilities here at the condo where I live. Yes, there's a beautiful pool. I think I put that up in the last video. There's another picture of it going up there. So the pool's really nice. I've been to it every day, and today will also be, without exception, I'll be down there as well. There is no gym here, but I've heard there is a couple close by down in the street. I'm not a gym person. I was going to be a gym person, but probably won't. But there are gyms available around here. There is a large reception area in the foyer downstairs. They'll take your deliveries or anything. So I did a delivery earlier this week. So today's Friday. So on Monday I ordered from Lazada, which is a company that's very big over here, like eBay and Amazon, where I ordered a microphone which I needed for my video YouTube recording. And that worked out really well. There was tracking. I found out when it was getting delivered to the distribution centre, and then it told me when the courier had it. And then it told me that he'll deliver it today on the day, which was yesterday. And then he got down to reception there and rung me, and I thought, oh good, but I missed the call. So I rung him back and I said, oh, I'll be straight there. So I went down and there was my parcel to pick up. I'd already paid for it online using Prompt Pay, which you just scan and pay, or you can actually pay on collection, pay on pickup. The girls down there at reception will, if you're not here, they'll take the parcel and put it out the back for you. But if it's something that has to be paid for, you can leave them the money and they'll pay for it. So it's very, very helpful. This particular condo doesn't come with a washing machine or dryer. A lot of them do. But that's not a problem either, because downstairs we've got like a laundromat. There's a couple of ladies down there that they'll take your bag of clothes and wash and dry and give them back to you at the end of the day for about 40 baht, I think the price was. I'll have to confirm that. I haven't used that service yet, but I probably will early next week when my clothes I've got a fair bit of clothes to get done. Other than that, pollution-wise, and I'm resisting not to cough, and I don't know if that's to do with the smog and smoke around, but it's very bad today. The last 3 days earlier, it was fine. I was not smelling any smoke and it was looking okay. Now it's, yeah, I'm sitting out here on my balcony now and I smell the smoke. And we'll just pan the camera around. You can have a look out there at the haze. Alright, so it's not looking too great. In fact, it does look a little bit better than yesterday, but yesterday was very bad. But then again, I'm speaking to people who will say this is nothing compared to what it was last year. So, and this is going to go on throughout March and April till the end of April. So, you know, there are options of getting these air purifiers you can run in your room. I've seen them, a couple today in a shop, for about 3,000-4,000 baht for a fairly good sized one. I don't know how well they work, but to be honest, what I find is if I keep my doors and windows closed here and just have the fan running inside, I don't smell the smoke. It's okay. But I am considering wearing a mask when I go out like I did today. I don't know if that will help at all, but I guess it's not better than not wearing one at all. And I sort of expect it to get a bit worse than it is. Yeah. So, what else was there to mention? I think that was it. Yeah, I've got over 50 subscribers now, which is great. The channel's growing. YouTube now allows me to do a live stream. So what you might find in the next day or so is I'm going to set this camera up on a tripod at the window, or maybe on the balcony here, and leave it running for about 2 or 3 hours on a live stream, just watching the sun come up and getting a look at the pollution, because people are quite interested in knowing what the pollution's like up here in Chiang Mai, and it might attract a few more people and a few more subscribers if they log into the live feed. Yeah, I just thought I'd give that a shot. Other than that, that's about it. I ate out for lunch at the shopping centre today, so tonight's plan will be just to go downstairs and have a look and see what there is. I was thinking going in the opposite direction up the street for a change and see what's there. Might discover some new places to eat. So anyway, thank you for watching this one. In about probably we'll see what happens over the weekend, and I'll post another video with more information and with what it's like over here, and we might go for a wander and look at the shops. I was going to do a bit more walking and while I went out today, but the problem was that the sun was behind me, and when I tried filming with the camera I was in shadow, and it was no good. If I was walking into the sun with the light on me, it would have been better for the view, you know. So next time I'll plan a little bit better. We'll go for a walk and we'll have a look at a few shops I'm passing, and just have a look at the general neighbourhood around the riverside condos here. Alright, well, I'll call it a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment any questions or anything down below, just mention it. Happy to get any comments below, and of course subscribe to the channel to keep updates and get notified of each video as I bring it out. And it's all good. I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, bye for now. Cheers.